Do you have something to say to the camera?
No.
What is it that you said? What did you tell me?
I didn't say anything.
Just so I can tell all my Swamp Ass fans. Hey everybody, go to Alvean. How do you say your last name? Azurin. Go to her YouTube page and dislike every video.
because I called him Swamp Ass.
She called me dumb or stupid. One of the two.
No, I don't play the food. Oh, no.
Karina, come on, help me out here.
Yeah, Karina's gonna...
Whose side are you on here?
I'm Switzerland.
Dang, she didn't even take your side. I think that's even worse.
I know, right? Hey, I don't know. I didn't hear nothing. Did you hear something? No. Yeah.
Sounds like a bee.
It is. It's a bee. You should squat it.
Throw some rocks at it.
What is it?
Where's it going? See, this is where I was looking for yesterday.
I'm leave the pack.
I'll lead.
That was Alvean's decision. He can lead, yeah. What? I didn't want to leave the pack. I don't know.
What?
Going down, it needs to be like smooth.
It is smooth.
I doubt it. I highly doubt it. Is it really smooth?
Every trail,
nothing you do is rather.
every trail that I've taken us down has been pretty smooth, I think.
He said every trail you've taken.
Whoa, that thing goes high.
Not last night.
Oh,
so,
is that?
right? No. That's just the
Oh, I thought it was.
changing it. Swamp it. Yeah. That's how you came up with the name.
Well, if you really want to know,
No.
you don't. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you do want to know? You do? Oh, okay. So, every day at work, I'd be sitting there. It was during the summertime. It'd be after lunch, and a lot of time we had Mexican food and stuff like that, you know. And and so, you know, I'm lactose intolerant, so we always have cheese and stuff, and that kind of they cause.
I already know what you're leading to.
Well, anyways, I'd be like, man, it's feeling a little swampy back there in the afternoon. I was like, no. I think I'm getting a little swamp ass.
Is that how you got your name? Dang.
Well, because it went perfectly. Funny. It went perfectly with the channel name.
Not
so
nearly as interesting as thinking that you just like to go through swamps. Right?
It's not. I think it's a lot more interesting.
Yeah, no, I think you really wanted to break my rule last night.
No, I didn't want to break it. I just wanted to test it.
He wanted to see what the Polaris is all about.
All right, real quick, put you on the spot. All right, everybody, this is Alvean Azurin off of YouTube. Give us a quick synopsis. You got 30 seconds to sell yourself. Go ahead. You're freezing up.
Okay, put me on the
Come on.
spot.
This is all you get. This is all the screen time you're getting. So
no.
15 seconds left.
You already know. I don't like talking to people.
Hey, talk to the camera. Alvean, just act like you're talking to me. Hey, Alvean, what kind of YouTube channel do you have?
I don't even know.
What do you do on there? Do you do like cool stuff like do you jet ski or do you full wheel? What do you do? Do you put some cool? Do you do some cool little montages or what you got?
Kind of boring. You suck.
So boring.
You're talking to. You're literally talking to.
a celebrity.
No, not to me. You're talking to literally hundreds of people right now.
Oh my
Quite possibly thousands.
It's 30 seconds ain't a lot.
Right.
Like, hey, I'm Alvean. We ski, we wheel. Check out my YouTube channel.
Yeah, what's up, bro? Come on, do like a cartwheel or something.
You gotta throw it out like a puking DJ.
Alvean, hey. So Alvean, what kind of ride you got here? What you got here?
Something that can't make it through the swamp.
Híjole la chingada. Everybody, go check out Alvean's page.
No, don't
Check it out.
Oh my gosh, go check out her page.
Go check it out. It's a it's all right. I mean, I think mine's better personally, but it's entertaining to watch. She got some cool montages and she gets to get in the water. Rude.
When I go in the water, it's on a jet ski.
Well, that's kind of like the jet ski. We need to put some 32s on here, I think, next. 32s, 12-inch lift, and I guess some portals also, right?
How about I just give you my credit card number?
I mean, that'll work too.
Order whatever you want.
Do you mind if I get a couple things for mine too?
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, mine's basic. I need to.
Hold on, let me pull out somebody else. is gonna come. I think I'm gonna have to lift it.
I mean, you cleaned it. Look, you
Nah,
Lift it, put some tires.
I would keep it as stock as possible. I mean, just do enough to do a little bit bigger tires.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't lifted mine at all. I've got 28s, and you've seen the crap I put mine through.
Go to 27. I mean, what is 2 more inches, 3 more inches gonna do?
I mean, I don't know.
Hey, don't be pulling on that.
I mean, that's.
You were just waiting for that.
Oh no, you tell.
I don't know.
I mean, you tell us. You tell
I'm
us.
tempting you to make a joke right now.
I can't. I'm a very mature person. I don't make those kind of jokes.
Kevin, you didn't even step in for that one.
I keep my head out of the
That's
gutter,
on
ma'am.
YouTube, I can't.
It's on YouTube.
It's on there
Next
forever.
YouTube, it's on.
All right.
You can do that tease.
Tell them something, Alvean. Tell them why they would need to go check out your channel. Something, anything. It's not on the spot. It's
I
on.
need mod money.
There you go.
So please check
There
out my
you go.
channel. I need to get some advertising.
See, you need to hire this guy.
Yeah,
You need to hire Kevin.
Your
what
marketing.
he said.
Okay, now you say it.
Wash, rinse, repeat.
Okay, just get your
I don't look cute doing it. You gotta do it.
feed her the
I
lines.
mean, maybe when I'm drinking, you should.
Oh, that's true.
When I'm drinking, catch me. When I'm drinking.
Catch me,
Like
catch
this.
me outside.
Catch me outside.
Catch me
Then
outside.
3 inches might be all right.
Hey, there you go.
You see? There you go. There goes.
There it is.
Register.
And that's going on the video.
Camera stops. It's all good.
There's a 2016,
17.
17, exactly. 2017 sitting on, what are these, 32s?
32. Yeah, they're 36s.
36s. Dang, those thing's a beast.
36s.
This is really a 1000. It just says 570. She doesn't want everybody to think
I
that.
tuned it. To
Dang, it's got a turbo too, right?
Yeah.
Was it just a matter of reprogramming it to make it from a 570 to 1000? Just change it in the computer?
It was a lot cheaper to do that.
That's what I'm talking about.
You gotta take out the spark arrestor though.
Yeah, of course, that's part of it.
And a K&N. You're done.
And hopefully it doesn't catch on fire.
Well, it is a Polaris, so
Oh.
I mean, those things, that's just what they do.
But make sure you get on that Polaris command.
Right command. Okay, they can code something, but it's still it's actually gonna make my phone catch on fire. It makes it hot as crap, just so you know.
Yeah, it burns. It actually wastes the battery a lot.
Exactly right.
I
It's very
never looked it
inefficient, just like they're for ATVs.
Oh.